going to be reviewing Elmer's slime, Deep QC. Did some magic to remove the plastic protection. And his smiley face. Rubbish. Ah, beautiful slime. Me playing with it, I can't face reveal until I hit 1 OK subs. Expected it to be slightly sticky, but it was not. That's the one the ad ends. Lots of add-ins and mixing. I honestly had kind of low hopes because Summer's Q isn't the best and has a ton of fallout, but this was not sticky. It has a cool color and no fallout smiley face. Result fully mixed in. Approved 10/10.